Yes guys, welcome to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. So today I'm gonna give you a tour of my small farm. So I will not doing any driving today, I'll be going on the farm. So keep on watching, you will see different stuff like backyard farming, and also you'll see how I plant some sweet peppers. So always remember, tune into Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. One love, one heart. Bless you. So this is my sweet pepper nursery, ready to plant. So I'm gonna take you all to into the planting process. So these sweet peppers is about 4 weeks. So I'm gonna take you all to the planting process. So you're gonna keep on watching. Yes guys, so I'm wetting my nursery, my sweet pepper nursery. So I'm gonna do some transplanting right now. So I have to wet my sweet pepper nursery. Things that is the best way to go. Wet the nursery first, then you can pull them. So I'm gonna remove some suckers right now. So keep on watching. So I will mostly pull the bigger ones and leave the smaller one. So you have to be very careful. As you can see, this one damaged, so you have to be very careful. So first, I will drop in the suckers and the holes. I'm gonna show you how we plant sweet pepper on our farm. First, this is the sucker. So you can prepare dirt. See root. And put it inside the dirt. And put dirt around the root and band it together. So it can be firmly in the dirt, and then you throw some water on it. A few weeks later, this is what the sweet pepper look like. So yeah man, so this is them call it guinea grass, you know. So them use the guinea grass to do a lot of stuff in Jamaica. So this is them call it guinea grass. So right here I have some tires. So you can use your tires and turn it into a small nursery. So right here I have some callaloo, and also I have some cabbage ready to transplant. So life in the country is so sweet. Yeah man, so this them call it cocoa. Yeah man, a lot of people supposed to love them cocoa. Now them soup. So you will see different things on my farm today. But so this is my pumpkin. So I'll be planting a lot of pumpkin this year because of the pandemic. So we're gonna need a lot of ground food. You can see a lot of pumpkins. About 2 weeks old pumpkin. So yes guys, we need to plant something because planting your own food, it's more healthier for you, less fertilizer. So I have a catchment here that I store water. So normally like every other day I have to make sure I water my pumpkins. So this is my planting sucker. So right here I have some okras. Some persons would call this in other country lady finger. Have a lot of health benefits. So this is our next sweet pepper nursery, about a week and a half. So I'm gonna give it like about 2 more weeks before transplant. So yes, sir, people, we have everything in the country. Yeah, man, so you see it. Akia open, you know. Yeah, man, Akia your saltfish, country life. So welcome to Fire Reid Farm. Also, you can get a nice hillside view when you came on Fire Reid Farm. So when you go up in that hills, you can view straight over into Black River. You can see a nice view of Black River Sea. So it's tambourine season now in Jamaica. Tambourine season. They say tambourine season it's a very hard season in January time in Jamaica. So we have some tambourine right here. Welcome to my tobacco farm also. So this tobacco is about like 2 weeks. Soon ready for harvesting. No chemical. So tobacco take a lot of caring. You also have to bud those tobaccos. You have to bud it. So keep on watching. So this is my Callaloo. Yeah man, organic. Do look of farming in the backyard. Same way. Yeah man, more healthy for us. So Fire Reid farm, you know. You don't really have to go market, go buy them Callaloo. Me plant my own Callaloo and everything, is it? So yes, my people, country life.